Hey, y'all. Let's do this thing.
We don't need some prayer.
Dear Heavenly Father, we ask that you grant unto us the strength to get her done. Amen.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, your favorite filling station brother in all his family is going to fill you with the Christmas spirit right here on this very church basement stage. Brothers and sisters, Billy Bob and the Bobby Bills, they're going to be going up to the Music City and make them a Christmas record. Give them a warm welcome.
Christmas.